X4 said his father went to prison for shooting his mom when he was only 2 years old.
So your dad wasn't around at all, or?
Nah, he was in prison, cuz. He was in prison. He went to prison for shooting my mom, cuz. I was like 2 years old. Yeah,
Did he shoot her, and was she like badly wounded, or was it?
Hell yeah, he shot her 5 times.
What the
On the dead homies. I was like 2 years old, cuz. So cuz been in prison, cuz. On the hood ever since then. But I met cuz though. 2017. He ended up getting out. Tapped in with me. I met cuz on the hood. But like growing up, he wasn't around.
But so
my little brother dad was around on my stepdad.
The situation where he shot her though, like, do you know now like what it was about or what happened?
Well, cuz my mom didn't want to be with cuz.
Right.
Hood and cuz fraud. I see where I get it from now. Cuz fraud.
If DC Young Fly took the gangbanger route, now I know some of you gonna say, who is X4, the F? But he a LA rapper from the 40s, cuh. Damn, cuh. Cuh fried his damn self. This boy needs education, not a career where he can influence children. Dude vocabulary is horrible. I mean, he is a gangbanger, so what do you expect? But then again, I know some of you will say he's a little boy with no guidance. Man, it's Mickey Rex. Don't forget to follow and sub up for more sauce. I'll see y'all in the next video.